Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session, that is on 16th of June 2020. The first stock in the list is Tata Motors Limited. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can see that for the longest amount of time, Tata Motors was consolidating in this tight range. Since last week or so, it started moving upwards, but last week the trend was more or less downwards. I would like to point your attention to this particular point out here. Just look at this is the point I will 99. There is a strong buying going on at 99, which halted at 113.35. If you look at the current price movement on daily chart, the price is starting to recede at the price point of 98 to 99, the price at which the stock started moving upwards. The current market price is 100. So in tomorrow's session we can expect to get 1 or 2 points in downward direction in Tata Motors. So look to sell Tata Motors in tomorrow's session. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Mahanagar Gas Limited. In daily chart, I would like you to divert your attention to left hand side of your screen. You can see this is the price point over here. This is a crucial resistance for Mahanagar Gas Limited in daily chart. This is where the price started falling in downward direction, and now I move it to the right hand side. You can see that the price is currently trading at the same price range, and it has made a dragonify candle, which is a reversal candle itself. Though market, or rather Mahanagar Gas, is not showing any clear signs of direction in upper or lower side, but if you take all this factor into consideration in tomorrow's session, we can give it a sell. And the next possible demand level I can see is around 1048, and the current market price is 1063. So look to sell Mahanagar Gas in tomorrow's session. Third stock for tomorrow's session is PVR. If you see the daily chart, you can see this contracting range over here. Just behind that there are two sizable candle. One is bullish, another one is bearish. What does it say? It says that the prices starts moving upward from the price range of 1282, and there is a strong resistance over here at 1303. Right now, if you talk about how do we trade this particular contracting pattern in tomorrow's range, if you see over here, this is a inside bar candle, and considering the global scenarios and the negative emotions in the market, I expect PVR to recede in tomorrow's session. The target could be around 972 to 970 levels, and the current market price is bang on the psychological and round number of 10,000 rather. So look to sell PVR in tomorrow's session. And final stock for tomorrow's session is Escort Limited. I will like you to take to 5-minute chart. You can see a colossal selling at the end of the session, which means that there are outstanding selling position in the market, and these market participants, or rather sellers, expect the stock to recede in price in tomorrow's session. If you move to 1-minute chart, you can see that just like PVR, Escorts has made an inside bar pattern, and considering the negative emotion in the market, I expect the stock to recede in the prices as much as 895, and the current market price is 935. So tomorrow we could see a big fall in Escort Limited. If you want to know exact level in all these four underlying stocks, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.